Divya Dawlat here, back again with one more video. Today we are near a road trip from Bangalore to Hassan. So there's a small tiny hotel here which is known as Shark Hotel. So here you get a very good Thatte, Idli, dosa, pulao, vangibath, everything. It's a must try. Today the rush is very less. Generally it is damn crowded. They have dosas, they have everything here and it's very tasty and beautiful. So please make a visit if you are anywhere near this place when you are doing a road trip. This place is beautiful. You can just have a nature look. Famous Thatte idli with the vada, and you have two different types of chutneys and sagu. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.